Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service and your KSC Bidding Consultant and owner of the KSC Building. Well, this morning I'm on my way to a walkthrough, an opportunity that I got today, and it was a referral. So I'm going to see what they need done. He said it's carpet cleaning of some classrooms, so I'm going to go and see what he's talking about. Yep, y'all. Told you, I'm super busy. Keep getting opportunities. Not that I'm winning them all, but I'm getting them at least. That shows that I'm out there somewhere. People can find me. So just keep networking. Keep getting your name out there, letting people know who you are and what you do. And for the clients that you already have, do your very best. That's how you get referrals. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. All right, y'all. So that walkthrough was carpet cleaning of 11 rooms, 11 classrooms. So now I'm on my way to my hospital project and do the walk for the work on Monday. So they're nice sized rooms too, 11 rooms. So I'll be working on that today. All right, y'all. Just wanted to give you an update on that walkthrough.
I mean, most of this can be done with a scrubber. I mean, a lot of the heavy debris.
Okay. You have scrubbers, right?
Got one. Well, I got two, but I don't know. The other one got it.
You know how many people are in this here? Or still we have to think about it? Because we have only the next week, right? Yeah. Yeah.
But we
have
can't.
only 5 days, so.
Can we vote for it?
Yeah,
We have how long? 3 days.
5 days. But honestly, you just would have been expected more.
Same thing.
Same deal.
Okay.
I mean, there's not much in these rooms other than they could use a good scrubber.
Okay, so it's floors on this go round.
So yeah, there's another one area.
We'll go over it.
So we don't need a. All right, y'all. So that was my hospital project walkthrough. Now that I'm done with that, I got some issues to take care of from a tenant that moved out of the KSC building. So I'm going to stop here at the Home Depot and get what I need, and I'll let you guys see how the walls was left. You know, being a building owner, or a landlord, I should say, you learn as you go. I'm learning as I go with this KSC building. Every tenant teaches me something. So, I'll see y'all when I'm back at the building. All right, y'all, so I'm in the KSC building now, so let me show you what I have to fix after my tenant. So I gotta patch up these holes, all these holes, fix that, some holes over here, big old holes over here, all that paint scraped and stuff. I still got this paint, so paint this room again. Get my brother to come over and help me. Look, there's some holes over here. Now this is the stuff that should be against the security deposit. This is a lesson learned. I'm gonna get all these holes. Even a hole down here about it like. Look. Okay, look. The hole right here, man. They tried to patch, look like. Look, holes over here. Holes all over the place. Just makes the room look ugly. So, I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. Put the desk back in here and stage it up. And it's ready. The work never ends, y'all. And then I need to clean them out. I got paper. I can't do papers well. Got my picture. All this stuff all over the place. Got my little nephew's snacks in here for his vending machine, so you have to keep bringing them back and forth. Alright, so I'm also, I don't know where you guys live, but I'm going to post this construction project that's like 4 hours away from me. I don't want it. It's 53,000 square feet, final cleaning. Thorntown, PA or something. But I'm going to post it, and if you guys are in these people's portal, and if you're not, search them up, get in their portal, because they always got construction work, and build a relationship. All right, y'all.